Hey crafty friends, it's Rick from RC Kinsman Studio. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to share with you a quick tip on how to not case a card, but to be inspired by a card and not copy it. So I'm going to flip you down and we're going to get started. All right, so we're going to get started. I have my inspiration piece. I have my materials. I'm going to be using the Something Fancy stamp set. I'm going to use a sentiment out of this. And I've got my cardstocks. This is the inspiration piece. It's by Keisha Charles of the Paper Mint. I've loved her design, so I have used Arda's limes. I'll try to remember to link to her video. But we're gonna list the colors, the techniques, the elements, the occasions, the layout, and then we're gonna decide what we're gonna include, what we're gonna modify, what we're gonna exclude, and then put our own little spin on it. So that's my inspiration piece. I've already pulled my color. I've got my white card base. I'm keeping that. I've got a white floral element that I've die cut using the Meadow dies. That's one of the things I did change with that. Hers is a more detailed image, and I decided to go more solid. I also have cut 5 pieces of cardstock using some layering or nested arch dies that I got off Amazon. I've done those in 5 colors, pretty close to what hers are. I went for Bubble Bath, Granny Apple Green, Calypso Coral, Cajun, Crushed Curry, and Melon Mambo. So those are what I'm going to use. So I've got my inspiration piece over here on the side. I'm going to go ahead and start laying this up. So I'm going to lay these out where I want them. I think I'm going to flip these. I'll flip them just a little bit. All right, I'm happy with that arrangement. And I'm going to go start attaching these. So, where is my liquid glue? I'm going to start here with the Calypso Coral piece. I'm just going to use some Mono Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue for this. So this is a much better way to get inspiration for cards than to just case. You can totally get the inspiration for a card and use the same inspiration, use the same colors, modify it, make it your own. Casing, it has its place, but a lot of people get stuck and want to create the same card. You can totally get inspired by a person's project and then make it your own without casing. All right, I'm gonna let that dry for a second so I can go ahead and attach my little floral element. And for this, I'm going to switch to my Barely Art Glue, which apparently I need to order some more because it has my fine tip on there. But like I was saying, you can totally like be inspired by a person's card without copying them. Find your inspiration and make it your own. Don't copy. Don't case. Find your inspiration from a person. Choose their color combination. Make it your own. All right, so we're going to cut these off. It's way more creative when you make something your own than case it or copy it. I think we are going to add another little bit right up here. No, I'm not. I'm going to leave it alone before I overwork it. All right, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. Now, she used 2 sentiments. She used a larger stamp sentiment in black and black, and then stamped a smaller sub-sentiment in the same color pink cardstock that she used on hers. I've excluded that. I'm just going to stamp one little sentiment. I'm going to stamp happy birthday. All right, there is my inspired card from Keisha Charles of the Paper Mint. Thank you, Keisha. I appreciate your inspiration. Love your cards. So this is my inspiration. This is my version of her card, the inspiration that I got from it, which is a much better way than doing casing. All right, that's it for me. I will see you guys later. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Love you.